Hey guys, I'm sick. Lauren's sick. We're both sick. Good times. I don't know where I was going with this. Helbeast, join me. I'm always showing off when he does that. You seem to be really interested in grapefruit, Wheatley. Well, you don't see that every day. Grapefruit is really interested in Wheatley here. Yep, she follows him around. I mean, that is certainly a thing a fish might not see that often. A parrot right in front of him. That's the first time Wheatley has a lot of interest in the aquarium. You can't have any of the fish, you know that, right? Parrot meets fish. I can't help you, I'm sorry. You want to tell me something? You want to tell me something, Mark? You want to tell me something? You want to tell me something?
Mars! You wanna go play ball, bud? You wanna go play ball? You wanna go play ball, huh?
You want to tell me something?
Oh, good boy, Mars!
Such a silly dog. You're such a silly dog. Stay here. Stay there. Good girl. Someone sent me a potato. A message on a potato. You can see it in my latest Weasel Zone vlog. So I decided to dig a hole and put it in and see how well it will grow. Yeah, it looks good. It looks maybe a little bit bigger. There you go. Let's put you in your earthy grave. And, well, we will check on it and see how it will grow. Fantastic. Now we just need to mark it somehow. Alright, we got it all marked down. It's right in front of this little stick. I hope the stick stays there. And, yeah, we'll see how it does in the future.
Get it, bud. Ow. Get it, buddy. Ow. You happy, bud? You happy? Yeah.
Someone's having caterpillars.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they're actually black. They'll turn green eventually.
Yep, every instar they'll get more and more colorful.
They're so small.
Yep, I'm gonna need to go get some leaves for them.
Oh, better get hiking. But yeah, those are the moths.
These are Cecropia moth caterpillars.
The caterpillars of the Cecropia moths, the ones that sadly died at this point.
Yep.
They only live like a week and then it's over.
Oh, yep, they start out very small and I can't.
They're very cute.
Oh, they're so cute. Their heads are so big.
They are very adorable. I mean, they're little, like, fuzzballs.
They're gonna get huge. They're gonna get very big.
So I haven't been super actively vlogging over the last few days. Most because I was, again, busy recording things. My parents are supposed to arrive today well, they were supposed to arrive at 3. But apparently it's gonna be 5. The flight was, for whatever reasons, delayed by 2 hours. That's one thing I really love, is the fact that you can track any kind of flight in real time, which is pretty awesome. And luckily I checked, otherwise we would have driven to the airport in vain. Anyways, I think it's time for fish tank updates. Super important, of course. I did replace the 2 little tanks I had, the 3-gallon and the 4-gallon with the integrated filter with a 10-gallon. Makes sense since I have these 2 lights up here. This tank is doing really well. I'm trying to grow a Brazilian pennywort carpet, and over on the left we have the rotundifolia, and here's some Ludwigia. And here are the golden, I don't know how to say it, Nazea. They weren't doing really well in my other tank, but they're making a comeback and they really love the substrate here. Back there we have an Amazon sword, actually I think 2, and I'm gonna be curious how they're gonna do. They look good. We'll see, and I'm not really happy with this diffuser, the CO2 diffuser. I'm going to try to set up this filter canister that Lauren had, this Phoenix filter canister. Never did use one of these, but with this I can inject the CO2 into the pipes, which will make it, dissolve easier. So that's gonna be my project until my parents arrive. This tank had some crawly worms in it. I don't know what it was, probably something in the substrate because the big tank had them too. We killed them off with hydrogen peroxide, but that we have to redo the whole cycle now. So I'm currently measuring the amount of ammonia in there. That's why I have these test kits, and there's still some ammonia in there. As soon as the ammonia is taken care of, I can put Orchid back in, who's currently over in this tank. And the dwarf hairgrass that I had in the one tank, I planted in here, and I hope this will create a nice big carpet. At least that's the plan. The plan, not the plant. And over here, I put storage and weapons on the floor, and I hope they will build a carpet because I'm really not happy with the the dwarf pennywort. Also, why did I say pennywort? And yeah, I trimmed the erosion defoliant. And that concludes it for this aquarium update. Someone's enjoying a bath. How do you like your water bowl for bathing in it? It seems to be awesome. He looks so ridiculous when he's bathing. So my parents arrived today. We picked them up at the airport and went to eat something, and this is what she brought me. Lots of mamba, which is a softer version of mawam. We got mawam cola kracha, that's some delicious stuff. Gummy bears. Yay, Kit Kat. We kind of have those too. I don't think she realizes that. What's that? Pasta fruta. It's sour candy. More gummy bears. Jeez. She went crazy. She... Trigger, which is like a Twix fake. It's a fake Twix.
Oh, Toffee Fay. Don't we have Toffee Fay too?
Yeah, it's written Toffee Fay with A-Y at the end. And I'm not kidding, I was really surprised by it. Yogurette, always nice. My father's gonna like it. Hanuta. Oreo.
Ooh, this was the stuff I liked.
Yeah, we have 2 boxes of those.
Oh!
Yeah. Nula had like 2 boxes of Hanuta plus these from my mother. 4 boxes of Hanuta.
Ah, shit.
Yep. That's, what's that? That's more Mawam in a different packaging. She bought me a coffee cup with candy in there and bug apps and oh yeah. They're like little, like buttery croutons. And I just like to eat them pure. And she brought little cakes that are completely smashed.
Oh.
Cute.
Duo magic.
Duo Magic. Doppelkeks mit Kakaocreme-Füllung.
Can you say that again?
Doppelkeks mit Kakaocreme-Füllung. So
Sexy.
German.
Kakaocreme-Füllung?
Yeah, that gets the ladies all riled up.
The Kakaocreme-Füllung.
In Lauren's or our aquarium news, it's been going. We have now 2 lights on top of there because we felt they weren't strong enough, and yeah, it's way brighter now. The tannins are not leaching as much, but it's kind of milky, so we got ourselves a Purigen bag for the filter. It's in there, below there, don't worry, and I hope that it's gonna be filtered out. Also, my mother brought this.
Whatever, Holz, what does that mean?
Verflixte Holzspiele, which means like damned wood games.
It's little wooden puzzles.
Yep, it's little wooden puzzles.
Parents got us. How cute is that?
Yay, wooden puzzles.
We should do a video on this sometime, actually.
Alright, you guys can guess. Don't guess. I didn't tell you yet what it is. Guess what it is and let me know in the comments. Alright, so today we're going to be going to the Baltimore National Aquarium in, guess where? Baltimore. I'm going to do all kinds of fish shots. I'm going to edit them now together in a beautiful montage with music in the background. And probably screaming kids or so, because it's weekday and probably school kids are there.
Oh, me and my cool sunglasses.
Yeah.
Cool glasses.
You keep looking at me and I'm like worried that you're just gonna like trip and... So these are my parents. That's my dad. That's my mother. Who definitely does not want me to film her. So I will totally respect that. Not. gong?
It's a family of sharks.
Yep, that's a fish.
Yeah.
That's a shark down there.
Teppichhai.
Teppichhai.
Yeah, Carpet.
Pretty.
Slightly scary.
That's why they like them in aquariums, because they're...
They're getting fed.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, the sand tigers are apparently pretty docile, but they look scary. That's why they like to keep them in aquariums. Oh, it's so cute. Pretty. Got like maple and oak and fern. It's local plants and stuff and local fish. But yeah, it does look kind of tropical.
I think thanks to the fern and all the moss.
Yeah, fern looks more tropical than it is, but yeah. Every sea turtle you see in an aquarium.
Bleiben die so klein?
Nein.
It's a baby.
This big. They get up to maybe 600 pounds. Oh, he's so cute.
He is very cute.
Oh, it's a clear nose skate. Huh. Skates are funny looking.
You know all the plastic in the ocean? It's absolute irre durch das.
Amazingly strong punch. It's as strong as a .22 caliber bullet, and it moves so fast it boils the water around it.
So you better get away from the...
Oh!
That is so cool.
Oh, they're scary.
Oh, they're so beautiful. Look at his colors.
They're not actually a type of shrimp though.
Nope. The Mara is probably hiding somewhere. Just
They like to hide in tubes.
and just like poke their head out sometimes. I think he's cute.
Small head, the eyes
Yeah.
are right in front there.
I think he's kind of cute. He looks super intimidated. He looks cute.
I love his
They look
face.
so dorky. It looks like he has to say something.
I didn't know you guys were coming today. I don't have hors d'oeuvres ready yet. Is it 4 p.m. already?
Oh, we get to see the whole body of this moray. Yeah, it's going back
It's
in.
going back in, yeah.
Still.
I think they look really cool when they swim though.
Oh, he's coming back out there. There he is.
Aww. I think they're kind of cute.
I kind of like him. Yeah, he's pretty active.
He really does look like he wasn't expecting company.
Yeah.
Like the house isn't clean yet and he didn't know you were coming. It's beautiful. I think that's a silver one. Yep.
So grumpy.
Look at the size of their caudal fin.
Yep.
It's so dinky.
No.
Now he's looking at me. He's
Like, what do you say about my caudal
say about
fin?
my caudal fin.
What does? I just put my hand there just for the size comparison.
Discus,
Oh, yeah.
angelfish, rummy nose, cardinals, hatchetfish. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, of course, it's very beautiful. That's a variety that is.
Oh yeah.
Smile. You're on the internet.
Oh, 9. Stop it. 7. Oh, they've got. Oh. They've got Chesapeake, Maya, Spirit, and Bailey, it looks like.
I'm not entirely sure what they're doing.
They're just entertaining them.
And then we have our 2 male dolphins, Bo and Foster, in the back. So what we are doing right now, this is an unscheduled activity, so we have scheduled activities throughout the day and then unscheduled ones, so we'll splash down unscheduled activity here. This is something that we call enrichment, so it's kind of like dolphin recess. It's something extra that we provide for our dolphins all throughout the day.
This must be a delicacy somewhere. Snakes are probably fed very well.
Yep.
Die sehen ja hier lustig aus. Du bist so richtig grimmig.
Yep. We're home. I'm tired. So we've been like in the Baltimore Aquarium, which was a lot of fun. It's been like been there for like 5 hours, pretty much seen everything. Lots of fun, and yeah, I think that concludes it for today's vlog, or this vlog. It's not today's because they're always over the course of a few days, and I'll probably do 1 or 2 more over the course of the next 1.5 weeks while my parents are still here. I won't have too much time to film things, but I'll keep you updated on the caterpillars and fish tanks and anything else. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.